Dude, South Africa. You're supposed to wave it.
Oh, they're waving.
No, they're waving it still. It's still South Africa. Spain's next.
About the Spain.
Yep. Okay, let's get ready.
Papa,
It's still South Africa.
South Africa, Jude. Woo!
Papa,
Spain's coming up.
Papa,
Yeah?
do we get the space flags?
We'll see. They're still doing South Africa. Look, he has a little South Africa flag just like you. There's a lot of South Africa.
Spain, Jude.
Spain!
Spain.
The red and yellow?
289. There's Pau Gasol, Jude.
He plays basketball.
Where's basketball? Hey, Papa, where's basketball?
We'll watch it another day.
Look,
They're just waving flags today. They're all from Spain.
But where's space flag?
You had a Spain flag.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
There's
it's
one.
clean, Jude.
Papa, Spain.
Spain. See, they're all wearing red and yellow for Spain.
Cause Spain flag.
Spain flag.
Hey, Papa,
Yeah?
Spain had an Olympics of its own in '92 in Barcelona.
hey, Papa,
Yeah?
I know that flag.
Olympic Games. I can't say the
Hey,
same
Papa,
for that.
Yeah?
can you both flags?
Which flags?
Can you get that flags?
You have lots of flags. Lots of flags. Flag headquarters.
Oh, here's Sri Lanka.
You have Sri Lanka? No, he doesn't.
He knows where Sri Lanka is.
Papa,
Yeah? You need your world map, Jude.
oh yeah. Papa, there's some map.
Yep.
What color?
You better get your map. Oh, there's Sudan.
Papa, it has Sudan flag too.
We don't have the Sudan flag. You're right.
Papa,
Hurry, go get your map.